Once you guys grab a gown, you're going to grab a pair of shoe covers to go over the tops of your shoes, and then grab a pair of appropriately sized gloves.
We're here tonight at the Stedman Philippon Research Institute, and we have a group of local high school students who are currently taking a sports medicine course in school. They're working with a number of our athletic trainers, and we have the opportunity this evening to walk them through a couple of pro sections here in the lab.
So right now Mike's having all the students go through. He taught them how to do a little knee scope and taught them about the camera with a 30-degree scope, and they're doing a diagnostic arthroscopy now, so it's a little trickier than they anticipated, so I think they're enjoying themselves. A fun time to do something hands-on, I think.
Hopefully one or two of them will choose to, follow this path and, perhaps be here in another 10 or 15 years doing the same thing that we are.